Hello, awesome people. My name is Dejan, and welcome to the first episode of the Scrum. Now let's get into it. Scrum encourages teams to learn through experiences, self-organize while working on a problem and reflect on their wins and losses to improve continuously. While software development teams most frequently use Scrum, its principles and lessons can be used for all kinds of non-IT related teamwork. Scrum is a framework within people can address complex adaptive problems while productively and creatively delivering products of highest possible value. Scrum itself is a simple framework for effective team collaboration on complex products. Scrum co-creators Ken Schreiber and Jeff Sutherland have written the Scrum Guide 2020 to explain Scrum clearly. This Scrum Guide contains the definition of Scrum. Definition consists of Scrum roles, events, artifacts, and the rules that bind them together. Thank you for watching and see you in the next episode. Bye! And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Bye!